Hey there, I am Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I have recently discovered an amazing toy, maybe a tool if you want to call it that I have turned into an amazing hack for my garden. Today with this, we are going to deal with an issue that many gardeners have: how to safely deal with pests. This is particularly difficult when we're talking about our beautiful monarch butterflies. Behind me here is my little collection of milkweed plants where there are a ton. I'm going to show you a ton of caterpillars on there right now, but at the same time there are a ton of all kinds of invasive bugs which absolutely destroy the plants. And if you want to get rid of them, you would have to kind of poison them or do something like that, which any poison you use on the plants is going to poison the monarch butterflies also, so that's no good. So check this out. This is the Bug Assault 3.0, and I figured out a way to put it to real use to protect the monarch butterflies. As you can see, I've got some beautiful milkweed plants here, and they're the home to these adorable monarch butterfly caterpillars. But they're also not the only ones on these plants. I've got some pesky bugs here too. So I'd like to reintroduce you to the nifty Bug Assault 3.0. This uses regular table salt to safely eliminate those critters without the use of chemicals. So first we're going to load it with table salt right in here. Then we're going to cock the handle. Okay, we're going to be careful to aim, so we're only shooting the pests, right? Because we don't want the salt to continue on and hit like a monarch sitting in the background. And then we also want to do minimal damage to the leaves and that kind of stuff. So I like to put it like kind of an angle, so it kind of like scrapes the bugs off. And it's amazing how well it works. So let's go do that. As you can see, the monarch caterpillars are happily munching away on the milkweeds without the bugs interfering. Assuming this is as much of a hack as I thought it was, make sure you share it because other people are going to want to know. If you want one of these, there's a link down below in the bottom. Also, it's really important, as you know, like, subscribe, all those kind of things. In any case, I am Doug from Doug and Nikki. I'll see you next time.